This is my morning routine. That's it. If you want more in-depth on hair and makeup, this specific look is what I've been doing recently. I can do a video on that as well. Just comment below. The way I do my hair, the way I do my makeup literally changes all the time. So recently I've just been doing curls and my makeup like this. I hope you guys like this. I hope it's somewhat interesting. And look out for a night routine coming soon. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself right now during this time and you're just being safe and happy. Go start my day now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment below, like, give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with any and everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.